and welcome. You're watching NewsX. I'm Megha Sharma, and the big story of the hour, Prime Minister Narendra Modi's speech that he is going to be addressing to the billions of people who are going to be watching him today at 5 p.m. This is a day before the national GST reform that rolls out. The Prime Minister is decided to address the nation. There is a lot of speculation on what the address is going to be all about, but reports suggest that in his address, the Prime Minister may urge the public to take advantage of the reduction in the GST rates. The Prime Minister will emphasize perhaps the importance of vocal for local in his speech as well. All purchases should be made by indigenous goods. People should use only products manufactured in the country. This is the first national address by the Prime Minister after the GST reforms were announced. The Prime Minister made the announcement of the GST reforms during his Independence Day speech at the Red Fort on 15th of August. In fact, listen into what the Prime Minister said back then.
साथियों, इस दिवाली में आपकी डबल दिवाली का काम मैं करने वाला हूं। इस दिवाली में आपको एक बहुत बड़ा तोहफा देशवासियों को मिलने वाला है। पिछले 8 साल से हमने जीएसटी का बहुत बड़ा रिफॉर्म किया। पूरे देश में टैक्स के बर्डन को कम किया, टैक्स की व्यवस्थाओं को सरल किया और 8 साल के बाद समय की मांग है कि हम एक बार उसको रिव्यू करें। हमने एक हाई पावर कमेटी को बिठा करके रिव्यू शुरू किया, राज्यों से भी विचार विमर्श किया और मेरे प्यारे देशवासियों, हम नेक्स्ट जनरेशन जीएसटी रिफॉर्म्स लेकर के आ रहे हैं। ये दिवाली के अंदर आपके लिए तोहफा बन जाएंगे। सामान्य मानवीय की जरूरतों के टैक्स भारी मात्रा में कम कर दिए जाएंगे। बहुत बड़ी सुविधा बढ़ेगी। हमारे एमएसएमई, हमारे लघु उद्यमी, इनको बहुत बड़ा लाभ मिलेगा।
All right, so that was the Prime Minister speaking to the public from the ramparts of the Red Fort, and he spoke about the double bonanza, the big gift that the government of India is going to be presenting to the country by way of simplifying the GST, rationalizing it, reducing the tax slabs to essentially 2, and the third special slab of 40%, which is termed as the sin tax on a luxury product.